Aloha to everyone. Say
Aloha.
hi. My sister Estrelita or baby are 3 years apart. We're 3 years apart. She's the youngest of the family and she's also the smartest in the family. From kindergarten to elementary grade, she always the first honor or the valedictorian. Baby and I were graduated in the same college or university, in Polytechnic University of the Philippines in Manila. With both degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce. Baby major in accountancy or accounting. Baby and I became more closer during our 20s, I think. We live in the same boarding house in Manila while we are working in government corporation but in different agencies. I have Codico. After our work or job, we attended Bible studies or fellowship nearby our boarding house. During weekends, we're back home with our parents and other siblings in our province or country. We grew up as a Christians. And also, both of us become officers of our local church and other church organization in the Rizal province. We always together in church functions with my other sister too, the older one. So they even call us the Barbie dolls. Even when she got married, still we maintain our closeness. Then I got married and migrated in Hawaii in 2002. Baby and family migrated in Canada in 2010. Baby is very active and sports-minded person. She joined different sports tournament in her office on her job. Also, she is a very business career woman. She wants to try different things. She is sociable. She likes to go out. Likes to travel. So, I will be missing my partner in shopping spree and sightseeing and seeing those beautiful places. We always have planned to do those things. We love you very much, Sisi. I will miss our chatting sessions almost weekly or sometimes every day. And rest in peace. I know lately you suffer a lot of pains and aches in your body. Now you're with the Lord, no more pain and suffering, and you will enjoy with the hands of our God, our Lord. I even look at the sky sometime and ask, how are you, Sisi? Are you halfway or you've been there already? Share to us what you see. When you see all the gold when you are walking down with Jesus. We love you very much, Sissy. Aloha and mahalo.
Aloha and mahalo.
And this is your favorite brother-in-law, Albert. And today is her birthday. Yeah?
My birthday.
Yeah, your birthday.
Thank you.
Love you,
Love you.
everyone.